When it comes to creating content that actually performs online, you need more than just an AI writer. You need an optimizer that understands search intent and strategy. Two of the top tools leading that space right now are Frase AI and the Writesonic SEO Hub. Both promise to help you write smarter, rank faster, and save time. But they go about it in very different ways. Let's break them down and see which one might fit your team best. Frase AI is designed around the idea of helping you build search-optimized content from start to finish. The moment you enter a topic or keyword, it analyzes the top pages ranking for that topic and shows you what is working for them. Things like structure, keywords, headings, and the types of questions being answered. It then uses that data to generate an outline and even draft sections that are optimized to compete in search results. The best part is how it scores your work as you go, showing you how well your content stacks up against the competition. It feels like having an SEO strategist built into your writing tool. Frase also focuses on what they call generative engine optimization. This means it does not only help you rank on search engines like Google, but it also helps make your content more visible in AI-driven results from tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity. Now, Writesonic SEO Hub takes a slightly different route. It's part of a larger AI writing platform, so its focus is on speed and simplicity. You can generate an article inside Writesonic and then instantly check its SEO performance within the same environment. The SEO Hub analyzes your text, provides a keyword score, suggests improvements, and highlights opportunities to boost ranking potential. It's not as research-heavy as Frase, but it's faster for teams who want a streamlined writing and optimization process. The Writesonic experience feels more like a content factory. It helps you create lots of articles quickly and gives you quick SEO insights along the way. For marketing teams or solo creators producing high volumes of content, this can be a big advantage. You can easily go from idea to optimized post in a matter of minutes without needing to juggle between tools. So which one should you choose? If you're a content strategist or part of a team that needs to plan, write, and perfect articles for long-term traffic growth, Frase AI is a clear winner. It is research-driven, detailed, and helps you produce authoritative content that ranks well and stays relevant. But if you are a business owner, marketer, or creator focused on producing large amounts of content quickly, Writesonic SEO Hub offers a faster, more integrated experience. Both tools aim to make your writing smarter, but in different ways. Frase teaches you how to think like an SEO expert, while Writesonic acts like a quick assistant that keeps your content on track. In the end, your choice depends on your workflow. If depth and strategy matter most, go with Frase. If speed and convenience are your priorities, go with Writesonic SEO Hub.